Jay, make it move.
Ooh, yeah, man. YouTube family. Hey, man, guess who back outside with it, man? Your boy Jay, man. I'm outside with it today, y'all. I am doing a roundup, y'all. I'm giving y'all my final verdict on these white cement 4s. I'm out and about. I told y'all in my video from yesterday, I never popped back out to see if they was still available, what the case was, but it is now Monday, 2 official days after the release. So we gonna see what's left back, what's sitting around. I ain't picking up nothing, I'm just chilling. I just wanna see for myself if the 4 sold out in my area or not, man. Let me know if y'all went out in y'all area, if they're still available, if they sold out. Let me know how they look in y'all area. But right now, y'all, I'm in front of DTLR. Y'all see where I'm at, man. Hold on, there you go right there. DTLR, I'm in front of DTLR. We gonna pop in there. Usually they got some like gems in there, so I will not be surprised if I do see the 4s in there, but I wanna see if I see any other things in there, any just, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, them gems, you know, so we gonna see what's in there. I ain't gonna do no fit check, man. I'm real regular today, y'all. Real regular, you know what I'm saying? Real regular, just a quick pop out, you know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, so nothing special. But like I said, man, we here to check out the 4s and whatever else is sitting, so make sure y'all lock in, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Let's go ahead and see what's available in my area, y'all. Shall we? All right, y'all see what's going on with it, man. DTLR, like I said, they normally have gems in here, so we're gonna see if we can come across any today, y'all. So on the walk in, mannequin fresh. Mannequin ain't doing nothing today, man. Mannequin ain't hitting on nothing but chest on the walk-in, y'all. We synced these this weekend. They still do have these at DTLR. The Barkley joints, they still got these in here. Both colorways, of course. Well, actually, I'm just seeing a black colorway, which is odd. They got the gray ones, but I'm not seeing the white colorway. But they do have both colorways in the up-tempos. Got some bows, foams, y'all. All of the 3 past recent foams still available. Got some Dion's up there up top, but usual suspects, y'all. Usual suspects. I ain't seeing nothing crazy. We got a nice little shattered backboard colorway of these from Heroes for 120. But got a few different colorways in the shocks. DNA's on the top. Nothing too crazy, but I know what y'all want to see, man. So let's scroll down to the section. Yep, and there they go, y'all. And there they go, man. So definitely got multiple sizes, y'all, because they got them right here on the shelf. But still available at DTLR, man. They do have multiple sizes in the 4 still, man. So they still out here, y'all. This is a size 9 right here. This is a size 9, and this might be like a 8, maybe a size 8, 7.5, y'all. So 7.5 in men's. Got both those in here, and then you do have Lucky Shorts still available, a buttery, nice clean pair right there. Got, of course, UNC 1s and Mellow 12s, y'all. Now that was crazy to release both them shoes right there back to back, y'all. Like crazy. They even still have these in here, y'all. So hey, man, it is a lovely sight in here. Like I said, bro, and I'm sure they got bigger sizes than these as well, man. Do y'all still have these in your area? Comment down below, y'all. But they still do have them in here in DTLR. Grape 5 slides. We done seen all that. Is there any other gems? They still got Rookie of the Years up there on the top. Like, we seen all these shoes this weekend, y'all. Now these Precise, man. What in the Merry Christmas ho 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 do we have here, bruh? Like, y'all should have released these on December 24th. Or December 26th, y'all. But hey, man, cop a pair if you like them, bro. But Christmas Precise in the middle of May is crazy. But yeah, man, everything else pretty much is the usual suspects here. What we got with the Midnight Navies Precise, man? Y'all rocking with these? Y'all rocking with the Midnight Navies, man? Hey, bro, they should have threw a little bit of splash of red on here. A little bit of red would have set these off. But yeah, man, we ain't worry about those. On the other side of things, y'all, here on the back wall, I don't know if I ever showed y'all these Asics, y'all. These is clean, though. This is a clean colorway, man. Nice little summer popper color on here. Not bad, not bad. Got them right there. And everything else, I think we pretty much already seen back here in the store. I showed y'all the purple ones. Purple ones go crazy, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, nothing new back here, so we gonna keep it trucking, y'all. I wanna walk out, y'all. So I did actually pick up a pair, but not for me. So I hit up the homeboy, and he said, hey, man, grab me another size, man. Grab me another size. So I picked him up a pair, and Yeah, man, they still out here. Like I said, man, you shouldn't have no problem trying to get your hand. Well, let me not say that, man, because I be speaking for my area. You know what I'm saying? And I know it's a lot of areas who did not get enough pairs and they sold out X, Y, and Z, but they out here in my area. That's all I can say on that. But let's go to another spot and see how many other stores still got them. You know what I'm saying? So let's keep it moving, y'all. All right, y'all see where we at, man. We at Clockwork Skate Shop, man. A skate shop that a lot of y'all ask me about whenever I pull up to it, man. Y'all be like, yo, do they have a website, X, Y, and Z? They are currently working on the website over here, y'all, so y'all will be able to get the things that I show y'all in this video. But outside of that, man, look what we got here on the shelf, y'all. Still sitting available, y'all. Still got these graduation joints, man. Speaking of graduation, shout out to all the people who just graduated. I know it's a lot of new graduates out there, but these are still available out here. Retail, $139. This is a size mine, but they do have sizes. I want to say a couple sizes left in these right here, y'all. The CSEF joints, graduations. Y'all let me know. Cop pass on those. They still got the blue, of course, SBs. This pair right here, I got a pair at the crib. Still ain't even warm yet, but they still do got these. I show them to y'all whenever I come in here. Got the gray joints. You do have these in here, man. I show y'all these quite often. The silver bullet joints, man. These are, of course, the outside joints. They do have a couple different colorways in those when it comes to them. Couple blazers on deck. A shoe that is fairly new that they did get in here that they still have is the Zone P-Rod joints, man. What y'all know about these, y'all? These are the P-Rods. These sold out at a lot of places. They still do got some sizes left in these. The like I said, the P-Rods, but take a look at them. What's y'all thoughts on these translucent outsoles? Like I said, man, there's some good gems in this store, man. They have sitting that a lot of places have sold out, but some Sauconys, clean little colorway right here. What's y'all thoughts on these? Not mad at those. And got the other colorways right there. What are these, man? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, bro, if people want to get down with their outfits and just think outside the box, bro, it's a lot of good foot pieces that they have out and about that people can go crazy with, y'all. But outside of this, when it comes to the clothing pieces, y'all, they keep some dope clothing pieces in here, man. This Nike tee right here. We got a lot of SB gear as well in here. You know what I'm saying? Take a look over here at this wall. I was looking at this t-shirt on the walk-in, y'all. I think this is actually dope, bro. This is dope. I know I got something in the collection that I can wear with this, y'all. Comment down below. I think I'm gonna just pick it up just because, man. Actually, I don't know if I like this front, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I like the front with that stripe. I like the back. The back is cold. I don't know, y'all. What do I have to wear with that? I don't know. I'm gonna set it down for now. If I do find something to wear with it, you know what I'm saying, which I'm sure I do have a shoe, I'll probably come back and get it, but for now I'm gonna let that sit, y'all. But a lot of dope graphic tees. I often be telling y'all that they be having some fire tees up in here. You know what I'm saying? Got a tee right here from the hundreds. You know what I'm saying? Pretty clean, pretty clean. I do have that tee right there at the top. That tee goes with the Rodeo SBs, man. The green hits off of it, like it got subtle colors in it, so I did pick up that tee to go with those. And we appreciate doomsayers, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, just little simple tees, little graphic tees. Got some dope joints in here, but hats, man, hats. A lot of y'all be wanting to see the hats, man. Hat collection coming too as well, y'all. But on this side, for those of y'all that don't know, these are all the snapbacks, y'all. So snapbacks over here on this side, and then we got fitteds. You know, they got to section them off. Where that space is, everything on the side of it is a fitted. So these are all fitteds over here. These are the cement joints to go with the white cements. I got a hat like that at the crib. Couple new pieces that they recently added. They added this Atlanta braids joint, man. This camo joint. This one is a new one right here. Fire, you know what I'm saying? I got a lot of camo and army green hats already, but that's a new one. These right here, man. This Phillies, y'all. They need to bring out the black grapes. Every time I see this, I think black grapes. You can wear them, of course, with the white grapes, but I don't know, man. I think that this would be a better looking hat with the black grapes, but they do got that Phillies joint in here. Pretty much all sizes in that one. They still do have this one right here, the Black Hawks. I do have that one at the crib. Got this A's joint. What did I wear recently, man? I wore something yellow recently that this would have hit hard off. I'm not thinking of what I had on, but this definitely would have went with it. These will go crazy with the 6s, the yellow ochre 6s. That'll go crazy with those right there. I actually might pick up one of those for those 6s, man. That'll go spot on, I think, with that color yellow. But got that. You do have, what else I'm seeing that's new, man? This gray joint can be with the cements as well. Kind of like an alternate. Instead of it being white, you do got the black underbrim with the black tomahawk on that one. More Atlanta Falcons green stuff right there. You know, like I said, man, they got a lot of dope hats in here. Comment down below if it's anything that y'all see that I may have missed over, y'all. But outside of hats, more graphic tees over here, man. Look at this. The market, call your lover. And this is what was it called, man? It was called the Chinese market. I forgot the name, what market it was, but they just changed the name to market. But they do have that tee right there, right here. Look at this, cement fours, y'all. Comment down below, bruh. Go crazy with your cement fours, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Dope little pieces, like I said. But this one right here, nice little purple graphic tee. Got the bay joint up there up top. But yeah, man, that's what's going on in here. All right, y'all, so verdict in here, I picked up a couple graphic tees. I got the Pleasures tee, you know what I'm saying? Got that joint right there. Satisfaction guaranteed. And then I did pick up this tee as well, y'all. Got the P on the front, you know, we gotta keep it P, you know what I'm saying? And then you do have this right on the back, man. I'm just a fool for you. So, got this joint right here. And that Pleasures tee, man. So those are the two tees I'm gonna grab. Y'all, we had to jump and skip to finish line because they ain't have nothing in Snipes, y'all. Those 4s, they only had GS, preschool and toddlers left. The men's, they only had a size 8, so those are gone now. But here, we do got these right here, man, the Mellow 12s. Still available. I told y'all about the display pair, man. You see that? I told y'all stay away from the display pairs, y'all, because they're gonna be looking ugly here shortly. But UNC ones still available, whereas Jordan 1s sitting wherever Jordan 1s are sold. Now these, y'all know what these are, man. Should I buy a pair of these, man? I don't know. I never owned the originals. I think I might snag a pair. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Just to have them, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no telling when they'll re-release. You know what? I'm not buying them. I'm not buying them. I'm gonna talk myself out of them. I got Lightning 4s, Thunder 4s. Don't need them, but the packaging, y'all, the packaging and this shoe is actually decent, but I just don't need them. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below if you are a fan of those mids, but only mids I need is the ones that I already own, bruh. And it's really like a handful of them. But outside of that, Jordan 1 lows, UNCs, of course, Concords. Nothing special though, man. Same old regular stuff. Nothing. Let's keep it moving. Y'all, last sale rack, man. Last size sale rack. I know you see what's over there. I know you see it, bro. So, last size rack right here, y'all. We do got a humongous pair of Retro 12 flu games, y'all. This is a 16. I don't know if y'all can see it in there. Can y'all see that? 16, size 16, y'all. So if anyone wants to stomp someone out and get a attempted murder charge in some flu game 12s, bro, they got a pair in here for you at finish line still. But we got a baby pair of the black cement 3s, $50, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that might be it for the last sale. Actually, we got some jobs too, man. But that's pretty much it for in here. The last sales, right? Y'all, so here is the box for those mids, y'all. The new love, bruh. It's so crazy, man. I almost want to cop them because of the box, bro. Like, Jordan Brand and Nike know what they doing with this stuff, man. Look at this packaging, bro. Like, and he got the 9 up here, bro. Like, the packaging is immaculate on these new love joints, man. Like, crazy packaging, y'all. Here go the shoe right here. Like I said, man, what is retail, like $140? And they come with an extra set of laces, didn't even know that. But yeah, man, these Man, I don't think I would ever wear them, man. I don't know, bro. Talking myself in and out of these, y'all. The box, the packaging just got me like, bruh, I need them, y'all, but we'll see. We gonna see. But up here, y'all see what's going on, man. They do got 4s up here on display right next to the Mellow 12s, but still got a couple sizes in here. But I don't know, y'all. Am I sold? Am I sold? Y'all let me know. Yes, sir, and I'm back in the whip, y'all. So to conclude, the conclusion of the white cement 4s, they're still available, but they're drying up fast, y'all. Low-key stores like ducked off stores, they still gonna have pairs, y'all, but like the main stores in the mall where a lot of people go, things like that, they drying up fast, man. So if you don't have a pair yet, I would say the clock is ticking, man. Go ahead and grab a pair because I don't see those mimicking the black cements. You know, of course, that was the last OG shoe that I can compare this to. That kind of was like lingering around. Of course, you know, the Columbia 11s, those are 11s. Those have been doing that since the Gratitude. So that wasn't nothing shocking, but like I said, the shocking pair was the black cements, and those, as you've seen from the video, we still have lingering out here, but certain select stores, you know what I'm saying? But comment down below what they look like in your area. Your boy Jay didn't do anything outside of pick up 2 shirts. I picked up a pair for the homie. And yeah, man, I just want to know, man, what it's looking like in y'all area. But that is it. Your boy Jay is gone. I will be back at y'all tomorrow. We'll talk about what's going on this week in sneaks. We got to talk about that because a lot of y'all like that series. Y'all say y'all want to know about what's going on during the week, etc. So we'll hit y'all with that tomorrow, maybe an unboxing or something with it. But I'll see y'all back for that, man. Make sure y'all thumbs it up. Outside Jay, I'll catch up with y'all. Y'all stay blessed. To the next one, leave y'all comment down below, all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm out, man. Y'all be blessed.